Hi, I'm Charlotte Nelson, I'm 18 and I'm from Sunderland. I've been training in dance and musical theatre since I was about 2. I'm currently training dance at a lead dance in Sunderland and I am doing my first year HND in musical theatre at Sunderland College. I have participated in a variety of jobs and performances up north, some being a local opera. I was a scare actor over Halloween and I've done many performances at the Sunderland Empire with my dance school. I'd love to train at Bird because I think it's an amazing institution for me to develop my skills and become the performer I really want to be.
Oh, come on. Mad. The situation. Don't patronise me, John. I'm following you. Wow. We've literally got the same route to work. I mean, we used to see each other all the time. You messed me around. I mean, I thought we had something, but you went back to him. So, yeah, I'm angry. I'm really fucking angry. Following you. We just can't stop looking at each other. I mean, I still think there's something, but you went back to him, so I hope you're happy. Problem is, we can't stop looking at each other. And I think you're scared. I think you're really, really scared. Because something happened when we slept together. I saw what went on in your head that night. I saw what you let yourself think for just a moment, that maybe this is okay, maybe this is allowed. And I've said it before, and I'm only being honest, but it's only a matter of time before the things that have been nudged out of place in your head find a new pattern and you realise that, John, that you can do what you want and it's okay.